Hey y'all, welcome back to Press Play on Life. Today we're going to make cream puffs. I don't know if y'all remember, but this past summer we went to some estate sales and we found this German recipe book from the Amana Colonies. Here's a little clip from way back this past summer. Hey, we are at another estate sale today. Check it out.
Has 4 cups of milk and 4 cups of mayonnaise.
Wow.
1 pound of wieners. This is like for the whole community.
We're about to go into another estate sale on the hottest day of the year. It's supposed to get up to like 97 today. 70% humidity, something ridiculous like that. Anyway, it was super hot then, it's not now. And I thought it would be fun. I thought, oh, German recipe book. There'll be a bunch of things with apples in it. I want to make something with apples. Well, instead the cream puffs got my attention and that's what we're going to make today. There is my choux pastry, and I don't have to put it in a pastry bag and make it completely straight and even. I'm not making eclairs, I'm making cream puffs, and it says just do a spoonful onto an ungreased pan. So that's our next step. Okay, I'm not sure why I equated Germans with apples, but it seems like all kinds of desserts, lovely desserts from Germany have some sort of apple base, but that's okay. I think this cream puff's gonna be really good. It's been a long time since I've made a choux pastry, so cross my fingers and hope it turns out all right. Let's get these in the oven. tiny little cream puff. Let's just check it out. Woohoo, that's pretty. Let's go ahead and taste it without the cream. Well, that's good. Okay, there we go. A bunch of adorable little homemade cream puffs. I love it. How many did I even make? I don't remember. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 16, 17, plus the little one I ate. So 18 little cream puffs. Let's try one with the custard cream in it. Yum! Excuse me. Delicious. That is so good. I'm gonna have to try to stay out of these. I'm gonna stick some in the refrigerator, have them at dinner later tonight. Y'all, thank you so much for watching. And if you liked it, give me a big thumbs up. Consider subscribing. And I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye-bye.